We have two interesting questions here. Let us look at them one after the other. Question 1. If this had happened to you, what blank? A. What would you have done? B. What would you do? C. What have you done? D. What will you do? Now, this is a question on conditional statement, and in fact, this is a third conditional statement. Questions on conditional statement usually have two parts. We have the if clause and then the main clause. The if clause is the part of the question that begins with if. Like in this question, the if clause is this. If this had happened to you, comma, this is the if clause. While the clause after the comma is the main clause. Now, here is the rule. For a third conditional statement, the verb in the if clause is usually a past perfect tense verb. In other words, the if clause usually has had plus past participle verb, while the main clause usually carries the conditional perfect tense. Here is it. The main clause goes like this: would have or should have plus a past participle verb. That is, would have or should have plus past participle verb. So, whenever you have a past perfect tense in the if clause, know that you are dealing with a third conditional statement, in which case the verb in the main clause should be the conditional perfect. So let us look at the options now. A said, what would you have done? This is very correct. We have the conditional perfect, would have, plus a past participle verb. Option B says, what would you do? This is wrong. This is not a conditional perfect. It is a simple past tense. This is wrong. C says, what have you done? This is wrong. This is a present perfect term. It is not a conditional perfect. And D, what will you do? This is also what? Wrong. And the correct answer is option A, so that the sentence reads, if this had happened to you, what would you have done? Alright, if you understood this explanation, then you should try this. We have, if you blank me that you had run out of petrol, I would have given you some. A, if you were to tell me. B, if you tell me. C, if you have told me. D, if you had told me. Look at this. This is the if clause. If you blank me that you had run out of petrol, the if clause contains the blank, and the main clause is, I would have given you some. The verb in the main clause is the conditional perfect. I would have given you. It shows that this is a third conditional statement. Now that you know the verb in the main clause, then what should be the verb in the if clause? Kindly put your answer in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching.